Ah, oh, here they go. Reyes Gold draws for your lead, moving up Kim Possible by the rail Evita. Then comes entry number 8, and that's Speak Low. As they head towards the last 600, we have Kim Possible in the lead. And on the outside, Reyes Gold running in third is Evita Subterranean Speak Low. As they head towards the last 453 runners now parting out for the lead. Running in between runners, Kim Possible, Evita moving up down on the inside and on the outside, Reyes Gold, yes! Why not? Closing in fourth as they turn for home. Evita running at the center. Yes, why not? Running by the rail and on the outside came Possible Reyes Gold. With the last 100 meters, Evita. Yes, why not? Moving up to take the lead and finally, yes, why not? Evita, then comes Kim Possible Reyes Gold and Speak Low for your Pentapecta.